Hello everyone, today we have some truly groundbreaking news to share. The official design of the Apple Watch 10, which is set to be released in September, has been leaked. This is huge, and I'm excited to share all the juicy details with you. First and foremost, we finally got a look at the Apple Watch 10's design, and it's clear that Apple is going for a brand new aesthetic this time around. The leak comes from 91 Mobiles, and they have shared a render of what the new Apple Watch 10 will look like. At first glance, it resembles the current Apple Watch models, but there's a significant difference: the size. This new model features a much larger screen, measuring 2 inches wide. For context, the current Apple Watch 9 has a 1.7-inch display, and even the Apple Watch Ultra, which I have right here, has a 1.93-inch display. So we're talking about a noticeable increase in screen real estate. The dimensions of the Apple Watch 10 have also been leaked. It's going to be 46 x 39.7 x 11.6 millimeters, making it larger than the Apple Watch 9 but slightly smaller than the Apple Watch Ultra. This means we can expect a better screen-to-body ratio, which is always a welcome improvement. Now let's talk about some of the changes and features we can expect with the Apple Watch 10. Initially, there were rumors about new magnetic bands that would click onto your Apple Watch. However, based on the latest autopsy AD drawings, it seems that Apple has decided to stick with the original band design for a bit longer. While this means you can transfer your bands from your current Apple Watch to the new Apple Watch 10, it also means we won't be seeing the new magnetic bands just yet. I'm okay with this, as the current band design works perfectly fine. One of the most exciting potential upgrades for the Apple Watch 10 is the battery life. With the larger 2-inch display, there will be more space inside the watch for a bigger battery. Similar to the Apple Watch Ultra, which has a larger battery, the Apple Watch 10 could see a significant improvement in battery life. Additionally, Apple is reportedly manufacturing their logic boards differently, using resin-coated copper to make them thinner and more durable. This could allow for more space inside the watch, potentially leading to even better battery performance. Speaking of displays, the Apple Watch 10 is expected to feature a new OLED display. This new screen should be more efficient, brighter, and thinner, contributing to the overall improvements in battery life and performance. Apple is also rumored to be working on a new blood pressure sensor for the Apple Watch 10. This, along with other sensors, will enhance the health monitoring capabilities of the watch. However, it doesn't look like we'll see a blood glucose sensor or diabetes monitoring features in this model. Apple typically announces new products, including the Apple Watch, alongside the new iPhones in early to mid-September. Assuming no major logistical issues or unforeseen events, we can expect the Apple Watch 10 to be available for purchase by the late teens or early 20s of September. As for the price, the Apple Watch 10 will likely see a price increase. The last significant price hike occurred with the Apple Watch Series 4, which introduced a new design. Given the larger display and new features, we anticipate a price increase of $50 to $100 compared to the current Apple Watch 9. Are you excited about the new Apple Watch 10? Will you upgrade to this new model with its larger 2-inch display and improved features? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest Apple news. Until next time, take care and goodbye.